Wyoming LAST, as a part of its service delivery, just its main mission is to directly support the families and those departments who have lost a firefighter, who have lost a law enforcement officer, emergency medical technician, emergency management agent, agency employee, search and rescue, all of the first responders. What we do is we directly support those families and departments of those first responders who have died in the line of duty. One of the ways that we want to do that is to provide a funeral caisson in the form of a fire truck that we can load a casket with the body of a fallen firefighter, law enforcement officer, first responder into the hose bed and be a part of a funeral service, providing reverent and honorable services for that fallen emergency first responder. We at Wyoming LAST super energized about this project. We are grateful for Casper College's partnership. We are looking forward to other partnerships that we can come up with to make this happen for those families of fallen first responders across the state of Wyoming. We are looking forward to being in each of those communities across the state and showing this thing off.